Chainlink Staking. What is up with Chainlink Staking? It's been over a year now since the last update. From version 0.1 to 0.2, so many of us have been waiting for an update for quite a while now. This video will dive into Chainlink Staking, exploring its historical context, current status, complexities, and future ideas for success. And full disclosure, it's not financial advice here. My goal is to explore the business and technology behind Chainlink Staking, which should in theory be a part of their token price. Chainlink has been around for quite a long time now. It's what I would consider one of the first next generation Web3 products that I truly appreciated for having an amazing use case with actual utility. I remember really clearly how in 2017, there was an era of crypto ICO scams, but Chainlink was a project you could easily understand without having to cut through the hype and pretend you knew what in the world it was supposed to do. The vision for Chainlink is very simple, yet extremely elegant. It's to secure off-chain data using its decentralized Oracle networks, or DONs. These servers allow you to bridge the gap between the off-chain world and the on-chain worlds, making data like gold prices accessible and usable within blockchain protocols like Ethereum and Avalanche. This is crucial because data in the two worlds are incompatible and not trustworthy. Without the DON, I could make up the price of crude oil, for example, and nobody would trust that info or know where it came from. Oracles are necessary to ensure the accuracy and trustworthiness of information. So, this Oracle technology is Chainlink's major strength today and a main driver of why staking exists in the first place for this protocol. Before we move on, staking. What is it? Staking is different per blockchain protocol, but it is generally the ability to utilize your own token holdings to help secure the network by delegating or trusting your tokens to certain validators, which are just a type of node or a server that validates network traffic. These network validators help secure the network, and in return, assuming everything goes to plan, you actually earn yield on your own tokens at a certain calculated APR or APY. There are many reasons why staking and proof of stake networks exist. Yes, as a blockchain network protocol, it's a lower usage of energy compared to proof of work like Bitcoin, which is great, but that's actually a feature and not really the point. One may argue that proof of stake was created to foster participation in the network without requiring users to purchase mining hardware as if they're competing with Bitcoin. Chainlink Staking is a product of its maturity as a company. It took years, but in 2022, the first 0.1 beta release of staking was released, which was a major milestone and an ongoing request from Link Marines. With only 25 million to stake, or 2.5% of the token's total supply, it was a bare bones approach, but it worked. Then in late 2023, an updated 0.2 staking version was released upon the world, along with an increase of 45 million Link that can also be staked to take advantage of their economics 2.0 model, upgradability, security, and rewards. For long-term holders, I appreciate that they're taking it slowly. After all, we're talking about billions in market cap here with the Link token. Chainlink has 4 mentioned goals for staking, with a 5th bonus goal that I've identified. It isn't just about lock up your tokens and earn yield, as I mentioned. There's a lot of staking opportunities. I'll go over these in details below. I'll say this first. These are all very highly related to one another, and I'll repeat myself a bit. Because this is much more like an ecosystem with Chainlink, and it means to increase retention and participation in the network. It's the glue holding it all together. Now let's dive deeper into these longer term goals and see what we can do to start making these goals a reality. Goal number 1, increase the crypto economic security and user assurances of Chainlink services. This goal is about making sure the Chainlink network stays secure, trustworthy, and reliable. It's not just about staking tokens, it's about creating a system where both data providers or node operators and users know the network is running smoothly and security. Now, I interpret this goal as being specific for Chainlink itself as a company and a protocol, as them being a major stakeholder and not really anybody else. Remember, Chainlink is a company and also a persona, and they're ensuring that they have a self-check mechanism for their own services to ensure that the network is behaving properly. Chainlink could use this goal to build advanced monitoring tools to track how well node operators perform, ensuring they meet service level agreements and detect any potential issues in real time. This benefits not only stakers and operators, but again, Chainlink as a protocol itself, making the entire system more transparent and efficient. As a product, these metrics would be viewed by company executives as well as for marketing purposes, maybe debugging analysis, opportunity exploration, and a whole lot more to help their North Star metrics. I could see Chainlink creating a big old dashboard with everything you want to see, including holders and labels of people who own servers and notes of people involved for the business development team and more. The company seemed to be heading in this direction, but now it appears to be partially fulfilled with Dune Analytics. This probably warrants a separate video, as there are already some potential features implemented with Dune. However, let's leave it here for now. Goal number 2, enable community participation in the Chainlink network. I love this goal. When staking with Chainlink, you have two primary types of users. You have your node operator, and then you have the actual staker, also known as the delegator. The delegator is a person off the street who has enough link to stake, but they're generally a bit more casual and just want yield. The node operator is the one handling the infrastructure needed to run the actual server. If both players are playing together nicely, they can both earn rewards for making the right choices as delegator and for running infrastructure properly as an oracle. Chainlink now benefits by taking tokens off the market, which in turn should help increase pricing as there's less liquidity involved. To enable community participation is clearly a user acquisition tactic. So what else can be done? To expand participation further, Chainlink could introduce staking opportunities tailored to different types of users, like developers, educators, and institutional investors. This would unlock new contributions while encouraging wider adoption. A structured onboarding process with clear staking requirements and a user-friendly interface would make staking more accessible and rewarding for everyone. Chainlink could open up from 45 million staked Link and increase that to about 50 million to account for these new users. They would have to be vetted by maybe a Chainlink DAO or even centralize it for now. You want to reward the community and also expand it out to the people that want to stake their Link. Tokenomics could be affected, but I would want to see how this plays out by expanding another 5 million Link for 4 more personas. It's roughly only 10% more. Goal number 3, generate sustainable rewards from real long-term use. This goal is all about creating rewards that come from real-world usage of Chainlink services, not just temporary token incentives. The idea is to link staking rewards directly to actual demand for Chainlink's data services like DeFi integrations, stablecoins, and enterprise partnerships. To make this more dynamic, Chainlink could introduce specialized staking pools tied to new products or projects based on a taxonomy that would need to be created. For example, if a major DeFi platform starts using Chainlink oracles, a new staking pool could be created specifically for that integration, letting token holders support and benefit from its growth. This would tie staking rewards directly to Chainlink's expanding ecosystem, encouraging long-term engagement while offering new opportunities along the way. This is very similar to my previous point. We need to open this up to new opportunities, tying everything together. Empower node operators to access higher value jobs by staking. To simplify this, let's imagine that you are someone with the knowledge of being able to set up a node yourself. You have purchased a hardware and you're administering it. Remember, you're an actual person behind this. The main participant of this goal is the node operator. Here I have to ask myself, what does this person really want? And it's not even a person, it's their business at this point. It's important to treat this stakeholder as a business owner. This person will want to know exactly what they're earning based on their efforts. They're taking risk as well. Probably the most amount of risk actually, since they will need a significant amount of tokens and more. They're the nodes holding up the CCIP or cross-chain interoperability protocol that Chainlink released in 2023. This goal is all about enabling node operators, the business running Chainlink's infrastructure, to take on bigger, more valuable tasks within the network. Staking Link token serves as collateral, proving that operators are serious about maintaining reliable services. The more they stake and the better they perform, the better quality jobs that they qualify for, such as empowering enterprise-level data feeds or cross-chain services. To support this, Chainlink could build a dashboard where node operators can track performance, rewards, and upcoming opportunities. By making key metrics transparent, operators could better understand how to scale their business and win higher value jobs in the network. With market.link being retired, there needs to be an amazing place for a node operator to view several different things: total staked, performance, risks associated with the node, updates, network health, types of oracles, and other opportunities. Building and scaling. This goal is about driving long-term growth by encouraging innovation and ecosystem expansion. Chainlink already supports developers through grants, helping fund new projects that use its technology. However, as Chainlink becomes more institutional focused, it's becoming tougher for smaller teams to launch a new use case on Chainlink. Let's not lose the solopreneur or developers interested in the long-term longevity of Chainlink. This goal is about driving long-term growth by encouraging innovation and ecosystem expansion. Chainlink already supports developers through grants, helping fund new projects that use its technology. However, as Chainlink becomes more institutional focused, it's becoming tougher for smaller teams to launch a new use case on Chainlink. One idea could be to launch a recurring developer competition with a specific use case in mind, such as bring pickleball points into Web3, where winners receive grants, mentorship, or even job offers from Chainlink or its partners. This would create a continuous talent pipeline while fostering new products built on Chainlink's technology, fueling its growth and ensuring the ecosystem scales with both startups and major enterprises. Chainlink has evolved into much more than just locking up tokens for rewards. It's all about securing the future of decentralized data, powering real-world applications, and driving community participation. While staking is currently on pause, it feels like the roadmap ahead is full of exciting possibilities. Whether you're a long-term Link Marine, a curious developer, or just passionate about blockchain tech, there's plenty to watch as Chainlink continues to scale and redefine what's possible in Web3. Well, thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. What do you think about the future of Chainlink staking? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. See ya.